Yo, this guy's crazy.
Yo, I'm down.
Got him. Moving on.
Careful.
I hit him. Got him.
Nice.
Oop, there's one. Another one behind. He's trying to flank.
Alright, I'm not with you. I'm coming, Brent.
Wow. Watch this. Bro, he won't die. Bro, no. Ryan, I promise you. Watch this. Yo, what kind of kill was that?
Who needs a bump stock when you got a bump hook?
Gotcha. Shooter ready. Stand by.
That's it.
Get that last guy. Headshot, he's a zombie.
Good work. The time is irrelevant.
What? That was fun.
Western technology, da. Anyway, finally, I have the secret locks formula to take back to Johnny Schmucks. Hashtag pomade wars. Stay slick. Habitual sharpness.
D off, hammer back. Get to hold this back. Nice, gotta love it. That's convenient when you pull out the clip, it slides forward. All right. So I'm just going to kind of do some fire with this, with the stock. Ow. Yeah, watch your thumb on this. God damn. Yeah, watch your thumb again as I'm wrapping it. That's just a habit.
We have lost objective Apple. Halfway there, we have the upper hand.
Go!
fellas.
Roy Rogers!
See, that's a pretty tricky head, isn't it? Partners, how would you like to surprise your pals like that? Well, you can with my new Roy Rogers quick shooter hat. It's by Ideal. And here's how the quick shooter hat works. Just press this secret button right here, and a replica of an authentic Western pistol pops out and fires. It's your secret weapon, even when they think you're unarmed. So get Ideal's new Roy Rogers quick shooter hat at your favorite store today, and you'll always be ready for anything. Ask for Ideal's new Roy Rogers quick shooter hat.
Yeah, that is really about as good as it gets. Yeah.
That last one, you see that last one? You slipped the gas load in there, you bastard. I can feel the difference on that last one. Oh! He told me too, he set me up.
This mission is critical. This is a most unusual weapon. It is specially designed for counter-espionage, for Agent 0M. It's called the 0M Sonic Blaster. This is why. It fires a massive blast of compressed air, and this tremendous roar is the actual sound. For training purposes, this special delayed action target comes with it. Get Mattel's powerful 0M Sonic Blaster wherever toys are sold. Remember the password, 0M.
Now, HK introduced the MP5K, the really short covert version of the MP5, in 1978 or 79, I believe, the very late 70s. And then they introduced this guy in the mid-80s. This is the modern incarnation of the briefcase gun. It is an MP5K, no stock. This thing is really cool. That's just really cool.